Hey everyone, today I'm showing you a thrifted plant stand that I picked up at a free sale, which was the last day of an estate sale and nobody wanted to pack all the leftovers up. So anyone who showed up at that time could take whatever they wanted. So my sister and my mom and I took a bunch of things, including this plant stand. Now, the plant stand has water damage, looks very shabby, needs some cleaning up, and definitely some love. I took it outside and started sanding it. I'm using my Black & Decker detail sander. This is taking off some of the water damage, the old shellac, and a top layer of color. As you can see, it lightened up pretty quickly. Note to self, don't do this on a very hot, humid day. You can see the difference between the front part that I just sanded and then that back leg down there. It wasn't very hard sanding this at all, and now I turned it over and look at the water damage still there, and I've got to start working on these legs and this part of the body. I have these bottles on here to hold down the leather that I just glued into place. I know I could have done a bit better on the sanding. As you can see, I missed a few spots that I'll go back over again later. This sander is really good, but these little edges here and the corners here, I'm going to have to do separately and really hand sand those down. So I took out the wood oil and put it onto the rag, and look at the difference. The wood drank up the oil and that color really came out. The oil even helped freshen up the leather. Now I'm putting some on the legs. Here's the plant stand after about 45 minutes of work. My friend Shelly, you can see her incredible work on Instagram at Shelly Paint. She said the wood is most likely mahogany, but she recommended not to stain it mahogany as it would turn way too red. I took her advice and quit while I was ahead. It turned out better than I thought. I'm very happy with it. Here's what it looks like back in place. And I'm going to put the Christmas cactus back on the plant stand. Now let's take a look at the before. Wow, that's terrible looking. And see what it looks like now. Not bad for my first piece. Yay me! Thanks for watching.